Welcome to Jemako. My name is Clemens Schäpers. I'm the operations manager. I take care of the entire process, from purchasing through production all the way to logistics. We produce high-quality cleaning products, from cleaning textiles to cleaning agents, things you'd typically use around the house for cleaning. Our production is so complex because everything we do is made in Germany. We develop all our textiles and cleaning agents in our own labs. We weave our textiles in our own weaving mill in Nettetal and do all the finishing right here on site. It's the same for our cleaning agents. We mix and fill them ourselves. This means high level of vertical integration and a broad range of products.
My name is Lukas Nelskamp. I'm responsible for production scheduling. Before Asprova, we used a custom-built scheduling tool that relied heavily on Excel lists, and scheduling was very dependent on specific individuals. Across our different production areas, each had a designated planner, which means scheduling was decentralized. What was missing was structure. Asprova changed that. It provided the structure.
At Jemako, we have a lot of processes, and they all must be synchronized with each other. That's really the art of production, that one process doesn't have to wait for the next, but that the processes fit together smartly and run smoothly in sequence. For that, you need a tool that gives you a clear overview, one that shows you when one process is done and the next one starts. We found that tool with Asprova.
For us, it was a real process change, and Asprova changed the way we think. We originally came from a setup where production dictated demand for sales, and that's no longer how we work today. We completely turned the process around. Demand now comes from sales and product management and pulls the production. So production is truly driven by customer needs. That kind of clarity wasn't there before. Asprova gave us a clear framework, and that's what allowed us to set up the process properly.
We used to have 4 planners. Today, we're down to 2, scheduling the entire plant. Previously, scheduling was handled separately in each area. For example, with dedicated planners for chemicals and for textiles. All of that now comes together in Asprova. We have full transparency now and know what's happening at any given point, which makes it much easier for processes to align.
Reducing stock levels was one of the key benefits and a major success for us. That freed up capital which we could then reinvest in machinery and other areas. Asprova creates transparency by helping us to better understand the connections, from sales orders to production orders to stock levels. We schedule much faster, we are more accurate, and we simply have better demand planning.
Minimum and maximum stock levels give us quick visibility for when to reorder and when to produce more. And because purchasing is directly linked to scheduling, materials are available on time, which in turn allows production to stick to the schedule.
Thanks to Asprova, we now have a fully automated scheduling tool that meets all our requirements at Jemako, be it minimum stock levels, batch sizes, supplier lead times, delivery times, and so on. We tailor scheduling to customer needs.
Production today is no longer about jumping back and forth. We are now working with a better understanding of the big picture. Of course, the basics of how we make our products haven't changed, but we work more calmly in a more logical sequence that makes us more effective overall.